Hello and welcome to WD Gaming with my friend Dakota. I'll put his link in the description. And my little brother Carter, who you know as Violent J in the wrestling industry.
So,
he is coming back soon.
Yep. Next time we do it.
So let's have some fun, y'all. We're gonna wrestle a little bit, but I'm gonna use my 2016 White Dynamite.
2 brothers and 1 friend.
Yeah, it would have been cool in real life, like I had it happen.
Hey, that's your fault. You went.
Hold up, no, hold up. Wait, go to select arenas. No! I pressed the wrong button.
You press start. 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 Start.
I clicked over on accident when you pressed it and went to play. It's alright, it's fine. Extreme rules. Who cares? See Dakotas, you just made his guy. WD. Yo. Don't push me. Yeah. I said don't push me. I said don't push me. Yo, yo. I'm a masterpiece clashing with these bitches wishing they had something they ain't even have a tuition. And then now they want to mess with the dynamitis. Come and get it. I'm jumping with the beat and I stomp and I'm grumping, rapping, grappling you boys, knocking you down. Boys, you wish you had something, but you ain't nothing. You ain't stumping with the boy like me or redneck jumping on the light. G, I'm an MC. I'm a beast working on these boys, don't push me. But you ain't nothing, you ain't nothing, you ain't stumping, you ain't stumping, you ain't jumping cause you got nothing. Yeah, when I hit you my TNT leg drop, I pop off, knock you boys off, knock your socks off. When I drop off and I got the drop of the load and I knock off. Nowhere. Here comes Dakota, the beast. I bet y'all been missing us wrestle. This is how you're gonna see it now. We're tired of breaking our bones.
For real?
Nah, I'm just kidding. No. Soon enough, there will be another wrestling match. Yes? You got no money, literally.
I know.
You broke.
I'll get it.
And representing the Brothers of Destruction from
Brothers of Destruction.
Well, the WWE Universe sure isn't shy about sharing their feelings about this superstar. Better get it fast. I'm gonna show you something. Have my cheddar. Have you got my money? Tell me where's my money.
You know what I think I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put our own music into the video for the entrances. Like I'll take a little bit of the sound off of this, where you won't hear the music, where you won't hear me say this a lot, and put music in. So just tell me before I upload. Tell me before I edit it and everything, tell me what song you would want for your ride out right here.
Here we go, and I predict this 3-way dance to be in.
Oh, I'm sorry, Dakota.
What? Oh, yeah, sorry.
Let's go over here because you made me hit you.
There are no counts in this.
No.
And that was
Yeah, what's up, son? That's how you do it, son.
Foot or two.
I'm scared.
Again, no countouts. These competitors
Don't
can
hurt
do
me.
whatever they want outside
I love
the
you.
ring.
Oh yeah, so tell him to jump kick
And
in
he's
the
heading
face.
back inside the ring.
I should have seen that coming.
Come on.
Night.
Shot. And now it is show
Woo.
time.
Yeah, I got some too, huh? Ow.
He saw that one coming.
I didn't do it.
Oh, what an elbow.
Ow. Oh yeah, it's come after me. It's because I'm the small one. Wow, God. You can do something.
Nah, I'm good. I'll just wait.
Oh yeah, sure.
Oh, look at the emotion.
Oh!
Hurricane Rana!
Put it down. He drops the elbow. He didn't need a GPS to find the
What's up,
mark.
buddy? How you doing?
Woo!
Sorry, Dakota.
Come on, Dakota, grab.
No, don't you dare grab. Let me grab.
Here goes!
Please don't do this in real life. I'll just die in real life.
Oh, wrong person, dude.
Yeah, Dakota.
It's alright. I'll make it pay.
Oh.
And I think he's begging him to bring it. And he's heading back in. Incoming!
What the freak, man? You messed my freaking jump up.
Hey, he can't do this. Oh, yes, he can.
Yes, he
this
can.
is no disqualifications.
You're welcome.
That's payback, by the way.
Ow. So much, man.
I got the chair.
Watch out!
I'm scared.
Ow,
Yeah,
Woody!
son. How you like this, son? He's gonna get me, son. I'm back.
Oh, and he gets
Dang it, another
Damn.
one?
wheelchair.
Oh!
Can he follow up?
Ouch. I'm keeping
And
this
he
chair.
gets back in. Oh, no!
I'm leaving the chair.
To
Oh.
the outside, what impact? Where else but
Give
in
me
the
this
WWE
bell.
are you going to see something like that? Boy,
What's up, buddy?
there's no
How you
way
doing?
he's going to be able to stand after that.
Is he gonna get me? Oh no!
Dang it, Dakota!
Didn't do anything.
No! Give me this guitar, I'm gonna play some music. What the freak happened?
Oh,
How
come
the
on.
freak that happened?
Night night.
In the ring.
Bye. I love you, bro.
He's heading back in. Bam!
Sorry.
Wow.
I missed.
Did you see that?
Hey, what's up, Dakota? Night.
Oh, I pressed star even though I'm on the ground.
Hard time getting back to his feet after that.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
There's that bell again.
Hey, nah.
How about? Ah!
Oh, what impact! Oh,
It wasn't me.
serious knockout blow.
The freak!
I'm staying down, homie.
Oh!
Oh!
That was a hit!
I felt that.
Stunner!
Ooh, dude. I love you. Have a nice day.
A neck breaker. Reversal. Oh, back to the head. Back to the temple.
Oh!
And Dynamite saw it coming. Oh, no.
What the freak?
Stunner!
And you can hear the fans willing him onward.
Get him!
Whoa.
Oh!
Trying to turn
That
this
just
around.
happened.
Again, this one
Well,
ends
you're
it.
right.
He gave everything he had, but it just wasn't enough. We
Oh!
might be seeing
But you
TNT leg drop, baby! Oh, here goes the ref. Dang it!
No, stay down. Stay down. Stay down.
Where am I going?
And you can hear the fans willing him onward.
Thanks for
Dewey!
letting me up.
You're
What's
welcome.
going to happen here? These no DQ
I'll help you
matches
down,
are so
too.
dangerous.
No one's gonna let me.
Look at
No
the
one's gonna
eyes.
get me. Ugh. I'm gonna get out of your way. Ugh. Oh crap. Ugh. Oh no! Thank you!
We can see.
Ugh.
Talk about the
Get out!
odds. The Rooster
Yeah, it worked.
left this place. The
I'm
damage
happy.
has definitely been done. Now it may just be a matter
Quit.
of time. The
I'm
more
hired.
punishment he takes, the slower and slower he is getting back to his feet. Watch it!
Ooh.
Oh,
Clutch.
stopped at the last second.
What the freak? Why can't I ever aim at you?
This
There we go.
completely out of
Hey, you
control.
hit me. Oh.
You hear how his left
You don't have to hit me.
He's putting those educated feet to good use.
Ow.
And the
Good job, Dakota.
with the abdomen.
Boy, who goes down
And
first?
Dynamite counters.
Ow!
It wasn't me. It was Dakota.
I don't know how much
Look at
more
the clutch.
damage he can take.
Night one.
Right on the crutch though, too.
No, it didn't. The clutch
Dang
killed
it.
zero. Good job, Dakota.
Oh, dang.
He's not
Just don't do anything fun.
popping up to his feet here.
Well,
What do you expect, Michael?
yeah, what do you expect? I'm getting beat down. Common sense, man. Common sense.
Oh, I don't like this
Hey,
job.
Dakota, you
no
don't
more.
talk that much, man.
Another vicious shot with that.
I don't like this job no more.
Watch it. Ooh.
That was my nose. You hit my sniffer.
And he's heading back inside the ring.
Y'all both suck. Y'all can't freaking fight.
There's 3 people actually.
I could whip all you by myself.
I bet you would.
Dawson, you know, because I'm like, Dawson, me and Dawson and Terrence,
What's he gonna do here?
Oh,
Dawson and Terrence were going against me, and I was getting my butt whipped.
look.
We're in the middle of a game, bro.
I know, but still, I was getting my butt whipped bad. And
Story
Dawson
time, I
was
guess. Yeah, I can admit it.
And the only reason I won is because I threw Dawson out of the ring and I got pinned Terrence.
I know. I got so upset at Terrence. I was like, really?
He messed up.
I went. How do I do my signature?
I don't know. What's your signature?
What's up, bro? I'm leaving, bro.
Dang it.
See you Christmas, bro.
Some way he figured out a way to make this even more violent.
I'm gonna bust a punk in the face.
About catching a
Give me the bell. Give me the bell.
Come on, get up, man.
It's barely moving.
Acting like you're never.
More damage.
Yeah, son. I'm the king of this ring, son.
All kind of
I'm about to die, son.
Yes, you are, son.
Ladders. Be careful, Cole.
Oh, crap.
Oh, did you hear the
Hey,
impact?
oh, my face. Oh,
Look out!
I don't like it.
Down to my elbows, baby. Woo!
I quit.
He's out.
No, no.
Get the freak off, homie.
You can practically.
You guys figure skate. I don't.
Sure.
But I have this.
I'm wondering if he has something
Crap,
in his
okay.
eye. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Woo.
Oh, that was a move.
You cheated.
Come on, did I just know how to block.
Moved by Youngblood.
I played this forever now.
What's up, my bro?
It's hard to not see me block.
I don't want to go
Oh,
outside.
this gonna hurt.
Oh, I thought Dakota was going to catch me.
Oh, I'm sorry, dude. Wrong moment. No.
Woo.
Boy, he is really.
Sorry.
It's almost out.
That tank of his has to be reading empty. It has to
Give me
Mine's
this.
reading empty. It's called on
I
board.
see him giving up. And he gets back in the ring.
Oh, man. I always miss.
Really?
Did you see that?
I love you.
Doesn't get much closer than that.
Oh,
Oh, snap. Ow!
come here.
Much more.
I'm sorry, I had to
How
do
much
that.
more are you willing to pay to win this match? Oh, what a count.
Ouch! Come here. Hey! Really?
Really, Dakota?
You're supposed to get the pay!
Oh no, he got a way to win. No, you can't win this.
Get him! Dawson, get up!
No! No!
Yes!
And the match continues. Wow, he's in a world of trouble. Much more of this. Now he'll be able to
Sit
continue.
down, Dakota.
You're gonna lose, dude.
Man.
Come for goal! For me! For me!
There's the cover. Can he do it? And
No!
At what point, King, do
I didn't think Carter knew that.
creep in of, what do I have to do to put this match to rest?
That was gonna hurt.
I felt the pain.
I don't know as a WWE superstar if you've ever had those thoughts of
Oh no.
how much longer he's going to be able
Thanks,
to go.
buddy. Night, buddy.
Dynamite
Bleed, baby, bleed!
pouring down his face.
Oh no.
Suplex
What goes down?
takes a lot
Bleed, baby,
of
bleed.
impact. He's going
Oh,
to win.
you punk! You stole it from me! You stole it from me!
I really let him win.
Oh!
It's your fault. You died by him.
Oh, you stole it from me!
How tall are you on this?
I don't think.
5'9".
You stole it from me, man.
tall are you?
5'9".
I'm 5'9" too. We're both the same height.
No, you're not. He's taller than you.
We are. He's got a little bit of ink. Like, stand up.
He is taller than you.
No, I'm not cheating. I'm tracking your height. Yeah, he gets a little bit, a couple centimeters high.
Yeah.
You're a cheater. I'm not cheating.
Hey,
I just
who wants to do a ladder match?
You're a cheater. What you doing? Nah, I'm just kidding. You're welcome. That's what you should tell me. Just, I'm welcome.
I could beat all of you. Over there, homie. Let me go there, homie.
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 You're in the middle of my.
Let me. Oh, my ass.
Is your dick all right?
Yes.
Are you sure? Are you sure, Christian? Your penis is all right.
Bigger than yours. What?
What? No, it's not.
I'm the only guy on SmackDown. I'm the only guy on SmackDown. Oh my God! Look at this. Who looks more demonic? Who looks more demonic here?
I think he does a little bit more.
Who?
Him.
Yeah, because of his eyes.
No, because his scars and everything. You do look demonic. Hold up, I want to go and. Ah, dang it! I haven't created it yet. I got to make my paint clean.
Extreme rules.
I'm gonna go to wrestling. Nah, screw that, because I know Christian always wins at wrestling.
I don't know why I do.
I'm going Hell in a Cell. What is this? Match. Oh,
Hell in a Cell.
Okay, so
We got a
Hell in
guy with a
Cell.
weird chin, and we got a guy who thinks he's all bad, who's fucking small.
So what?
And then we got White Dynamite, who's White
We
Dynamite.
got a guy over here, and then we got a guy over there.
Yeah. It's like they were meant to pose that way. It was like it was supposed to be set that way.
WD. Yo. Don't push me. Yeah. I said don't push me.
Listen to this shit.
I feel so outnumbered of silence.
Listen to this shit.
We're trying to watch the.
The intros.
It's how you get to know your opponents when you watch their intro.
I don't give a sniz. I'm gonna find out your intro.
What?
That's cool. Right?
Approaching the ring, representing the Brothers of Destruction from Texas, Big, the WWE Universe, letting them hear it.
Yes, we do.
From Dallas, Texas, the Crazy Sexy Dragon, the WWE Universe, letting them hear it.
I love that. I didn't hear it last time, but I love it.
I told
That's
you.
like so exotic. Crazy, sexy dragon. That was great, dude. I like that. That was great. I like that. That's what you should be calling in real life, the crazy, sexy dragon. Dakota Merchant. Because I know you want to join wrestling with us. Or, we got a new recruit, Christian. Maybe you want to teach him?
Two. Remember?
Yeah, Billy. But he's not really a new recruit. He's like
No,
coming
I'm
back
talking
with.
about my cousin.
Oh yeah, him too.
So
forgot to look at the screen. Me too. For a second there.
Well, you got me. So.
One more time.
It's been a while, so I'm trying to remember.
Just start hitting Carter. All of us.
No!
Hands it
What the
again.
freak's going on?
And Dynamite saw it coming. Right in the kisser. What a body shot.
Woohoo!
He saw that one coming.
Why do I gotta face Dawson?
You hear his leg connected?
Oh, dang it.
He's gonna destroy this man. Neck breaker. And did you hear the impact on that kick?
How do you see me?
Let me get in the screen way, why don't I?
Oh my gosh.
I can't wait
You're
to.
gonna have some fun right here, buddy. Go fly!
Scorpion fights
I
back.
can't wait to go to Sky Ranch.
Here we go. Outside, watch
Of
out.
course, Chris is gonna come out and pick me up and throw me through the fence.
Ooh, Carter's right there.
There are
Oh,
no
nut!
outs. These competitors can stay out here as
Get in.
long as they like.
Ow!
That was funny.
No! Why'd you do that?
It's viciousness. A swift kick.
Really?
Getting back in.
Really?
Oh, what's he got in mind?
Run when you got the chance.
Watch out, Dawson.
Run, white boy, run!
Look out. All the way to the outside. Sacrificing.
That's alright.
Been lit
Get him!
to deliver.
Ah! It wasn't me! I didn't steal your
Another one.
underwear.
And he gets back in the ring.
Dang it!
Haha!
Like an accordion.
Get out the ring, get out the ring, get out the ring! Ah! I'm dying!
Oh, jeez. He might need to change his drawers after that one. Now back to the ring. Boy,
You thought you
be
was!
able to stand after
That's
that.
what girls say.
I think I saw two fly out. Ooh. This could be huge. Power slam. That elbow did some damage.
Why do I gotta get hit?
Happy New Year's, bitch.
All you did was push me.
Uh-oh, look at this. Oh, Dynamite. Explosive.
Oh, I thought you was gonna put me through the fence.
Yeah, come on.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh no.
Right into the kick.
Goodbye, buddy.
Look out.
Why do I always gotta go through the
This is going to
fence?
return to the ring.
It's a
That's all was
curse.
about to happen.
I always go through the fence.
Good
balls. I'm not going up there.
Heads up.
I'm going up there.
Hard landing to the outside. Oh my gosh.
No one's going up there except me.
He's heading to the top. And once he gets there,
Once you see Christian up there, get off.
Their environment to his advantage.
Or Dawson. Get off, get off, get off, get off, get off.
Really?
Being back to
Yeah.
using
Scaredy
the
cat.
environment to
Yep.
his advantage again. And he's getting off the top of this.
Really? Just
Look.
say, okay, fine. You can stay up there then.
Yay!
Happy New Year's.
Oh, hell no, motherfucker.
Yeah! Where are you running to, Christian?
It's called survival.
And he gets back,
Woo! Woo!
back in the ring. And the Scorpion fights back.
Me want to leave.
Thanks so much.
Sorry.
Woo! I'm gonna get my signature.
Oh, I'm sorry, dude.
You got my money.
I'm gonna get my signature.
Going to the top.
No! Run! Christian's coming!
What the freak am I doing?
Top of this sinister
Stupid coward.
I hate how far this feeling. Really?
I told you,
Yeah, hey,
Christian
payback.
comes,
Oh, okay.
run!
Getting down.
No, you won't.
And now he's coming
Yes, he
down
is.
off the cell. Heading back up. Once again.
Run, kid, run!
Top of this
Just because you're white doesn't mean you can't do crap. Run!
Chris.
Can you stop running? Can you be a man?
Yeah, be a man.
Of this sinister
Be a man and get your butt
You're
whipped.
not running
Yes.
no more, Carter.
I haven't been comfortable.
See?
Broke out of the
You're not running no
Now
more.
you know why I run.
Wham!
Yeah, pick me up. Oh,
Oh, you want to be picked up? Okay.
yeah.
No, no,
And
no.
not hit. Oh no.
Goodbye.
How do you do that?
You just said you wanted down.
I can't see shit.
Continue after that.
I just let you down.
Oh! No wonder you can't see nothing. Get up, 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 get up.
Ouch.
I think I'm gonna get up.
Oh, you want to do a finisher on him? Wait, not on me. What the heck? I was nice to you this whole match.
Oh look, I got up.
And now he's in pursuit.
I'm sorry, dude.
I can't
I'll
believe
pick you
this.
up. Or
What
not.
are we going to see here? Every time he has to get up, it takes more
No!
effort.
Oh shit.
What a rip.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Dawson.
What the
What the
Heading down the cell.
Courtney, hope you survive.
Man,
Bye!
Stupid. You're gonna kill yourself.
getting ready to do
Oh,
it
yeah,
on the
Dawson
top
did
of this
this.
demonic structure. Oh, this is so dangerous.
It wasn't me! I didn't kill you!
It uses
Motherfucker. Come here. Oh!
Christian, get him!
Shut the fuck up. I'm trying to survive down here.
It using the environment to its advantage.
No!
My fucking face.
Off a scary movie? Run! Beep, run! My arm!
the ground, baby.
Hey, don't finish the match like that.
Nah, I'm not.
Come on, man. Yeah, do it, nigga.
Big time shot.
Why do I get hit by Dawson?
What are you talking about?
I'm
the one
beast.
who's getting...
I'd rather fight Christian than Dawson. Dawson cheats.
No, I don't.
You use your kick.
It's white dynamite, thank you.
He uses his face kick to knock everybody out. That's cheating.
I'm trying to move.
He's bleeding like a stuck pig.
Hey,
Things don't look
hey,
good for the Scorpion
Christian,
here.
Dawson's right there if you want to
Taking
hurt
so
him.
much out of this guy. He's not going to give up. But man, this has been physical.
That's mad. That's bad. Dakota's getting me.
Coda's a veteran, too.
Motherfucker, get out.
Ow.
Woohoo!
Check this out. He might have been.
Why is everyone going on top?
I'm not trying to go on top, but I'm trying to get down.
No, I can't believe what a move.
Well, I'm getting beat right now, so
Okay. Here we are.
it's like another Christian beating me up.
These guys on the floor.
Thank you.
I was trying to do a finisher.
No.
Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
partner.
Sorry.
Bye.
Sorry. You said, Kathy, we're not on teams.
One vicious step. We think
Get him.
two.
No. Sorry, homie.
But you were going to save me.
I'm out.
I'm not a one of them.
And he's heading back inside the ring.
Ow.
Some DQ matches are
Oh, this is a
dangerous.
little.
And he's heading back in.
What the freak am I doing? Oh.
Oh yeah, that.
And he gets back in the ring.
Crap. No.
Dakota,
No.
get in here, man.
No. It's Christian.
Dakota, get in here.
Back in.
Christian got a hold of me.
Look at that. Now that's how you hurt an opponent.
Hey, does anyone mind me up?
You punk. I didn't mean to do all what I did to you.
Get him, Christian.
That is opponent right here.
Get him, Christian. Who's the win?
Going. He needs to dig way down deep if he wants to keep going down.
Motherfucker.
Why does he only get me?
Explosive move. He may get the
Woo! Thank you.
Nah, I dropped out.
much longer he's going to be able to go. He's got it locked in. This could do it.
I had a bad dream I was getting beat by a sledgehammer.
Yeah.
Probably was.
How much more?
I know.
How much more?
So am I-
Bullshit.
Bye, Christian. Come on.
Beginning to the end.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Really?
Fuck you.
Crap.
Driving the opponent face first to the floor. Just a dominating display. Yeah.
Fuck you,
I
ladies.
think we could see a lot of punishment inflicted
I
here.
Is that Dawson? Come on.
Oh. That was close.
Look at this.
Okay, that was close.
It's barely moving.
Oh, sure, come after the guy that's down, huh?
Back into the ring.
Get him.
I
No,
quit.
nothing. He was gonna.
I don't care. Dakota's got it.
He nearly lost.
Losers.
Right to the head.
No, I saw y'all coming. So
Oh, no, I don't got my.
no. Really?
No.
Yes. You just White. You better step back.
Really, Christian?
You better step back because White just struck back.
Oh, what's this? A team up that was not seen.
But I still
Huh?
don't see him giving up.
Get off of me.
Really?
Oh,
How the heck was that?
son.
Hey, I'm just a bit here.
Good job, Carter.
Oh.
You owe me. No
Alright,
more legs.
there's your owe.
Really? No. No.
This is the type of company where you screw your partners. Plus, you
Bleeding
punk.
now.
For the place. This one's getting ugly. shot. No. Dynamite saw it coming. A battle of wills now.
Dang it!
Out of nowhere.
What the freak?
Come on! This is not my lucky day!
He's had it.
No! Carter!
Help me!
You're mine,
Not
baby!
like that!
I
No!
gotta take it back. No, Taylor's not out yet.
Yeah, she's not. No!
One of a kind!
No!
Oh, you were busted
So
up
let's
and
do a ladder
everything.
match.
Oh my god!
Ladder match.
I told you I'll win somehow, I don't know how, but when I saw you two take each other out, I said, okay, Carter's my
Here, I
next
got it,
hero.
I got it.
Why are you coming after me first, huh, Dawson?
Cause you're the reason why we lost. No, I'm blaming you. You're on your blame block.
Why you going after me first?
Cause you're white!
You're white too!
No, I'm black!
Dynamite.
Well, we all know Dawson.
Batista bomb, mother!
Technically, Dawson's the whitest person here. He's white dynamite.
Yeah.
Oh look, Dakota's actually talking now.
I know, right? Keep on talking, Dakota, with your sexy voice.
What?
Come on, man. Be sexy. Be sexy. Where's that 5, huh? I told you to give me that 5, man. I wouldn't have to kick you in your face all the time.
Jump!
What the freak?
That's how you do it!
Dang!
Hey,
I didn't expect that. I thought he was on the ropes or something.
Just because I'm white doesn't mean I can't do stuff too.
Hey, don't ever say white men can't jump. Because we can't. Ask Christian.
Yeah, I did it.
I know.
What? Dude, this kid said I did 21,
Owie.
and so I said, so that's why
really?
I won straight.
Hey, oh shit.
Yeah.
He said I did 21, and I said,
Oh,
oh, so
mother.
that's my number 1. Whoa! Oh, my butt! My butt! I think it just turned white.
Counters it.
Ah! It was dark before. Oh yeah, I missed the
Rescue
stage.
there.
Oh!
Really?
Yeah, crap!
That was one vicious.
I was on a winning streak. No, I lied. I suck.
Does it again.
Oh, man. Really?
To the floor.
Woohoo!
Again, no count. These competitors can do whatever
Get it!
outside of the ring.
Jerk! Wait, I'm the only person in the ring.
That hurt!
What are you doing, Dawson?
The ropes.
I'm at
Jumping!
No.
I'm up.
He saw that one coming.
No one can get me except Christian.
Happy New Year's, Dakota.
Hey, I got this, homie. You go over there.
This could be bad.
Ah! Yes! Yes! No! No! Help me again, God!
And he's heading back inside
What's
the ring.
wrong with helping the white kid? Oh, son!
Connected.
What?
Great reversal.
Ah!
Tie up. This is about skill.
Go help them. Get up, get up, get up.
Ow! Ow! Shut up, free!
There you go, home.
Thank you.
What now, son? Run! He's coming!
He's got
We're all
a
gonna die. Oh, we
object
just
in
got
his
it.
hands.
Okay.
Jump.
Woo! Oh.
He probably cracked a couple ribs on that landing.
What the freak? We're all jumping out the rings and everything.
No,
I'm
I jumped
not.
off the
He's having a
ring
seriously
and
hard
onto the
touch out.
There you are.
And that was broken up with
But I missed.
crap!
I know.
I can never
I don't know
run.
how, but you did.
he got turned inside.
Come on now, Dawson.
And he gets back in the
Oh, it's
ring.
right there. I'm moving.
Powerbomb. Now back to the ring. And another outstanding wrestling maneuver. Man, that was a vicious elbow drop.
Skadoosh. Oh, wait. I'm sorry, Christian. I stole your word.
And we're going
No, you stole Kung Fu Panda's words.
There's all kind of things underneath that
Skadoosh.
Steel chairs, tables, ladders. Be careful.
I saw that. I saw that.
Textbook reversal. Can he follow up? And he gets back in.
Yes.
Dang.
He's coming. No, don't do that. Ah!
Alright.
Ah!
Motherfucker, go down.
Twisted in the chair. Oh, that shit.
But I was on
That
a
was
running
messed up.
streak.
Devastating.
Woo.
Thanks, homie.
Who's gonna win this
He might
match?
have missed it.
I don't know.
Oh, back.
Dynamite saw it coming.
Why did we all of a sudden start ganging up on him?
Oh yeah, son.
There you go, Carter. Happy New Year's.
Fuck out.
I don't want the chair.
We're all down right now.
Well,
I'm like the fuck out right now. I'm serious. I'm not getting up. Why did my leg hurt?
Now with a chair. Whoa.
go this way. Through the loop.
Oh my God, she's
Through the hole and through the face.
And down. Ah, you're bleeding.
Yeah, Dakota, you're busted. Literally.
might not know where he is right now.
Ah, crap.
Did you see the force behind that?
Oh, I got a fart.
Just look at this.
Hey, look, I'm not the only one. Dang it. I was gonna say I wasn't the only one down, but
You kind of.
Going up.
Object.
Hey, Ghost's not the only one down.
Oh, and the knee connects. Oh.
How does that hurt you?
There's two big guys here.
There's three, actually. I'm
Nowhere. Big elbow.
I didn't do it. Yeah, son.
Watch it.
Woo!
Oh man, how impressive.
oh, sorry. Dang it.
What the frick are you doing, Carter?
Woo! Oh no,
Use the canvas.
I just hurt my head.
I just hurt your head, bitch.
You can hear the face.
Oh, you're doing great, Carter. You're not gonna do shit.
I know.
Dynamite saw it coming.
Yeah!
Back into the
I'm
ring.
free!
In the
No, I'm not.
Maui.
Another neck breaker.
It's been a while since I've done this.
You can practically feel the wear and
You gotta
tear
wait.
that's been done throughout this match. I don't know how much more damage he
Get
can
out the ring!
Yeah! It's been a while since I've seen this.
No.
Bulldozer!
matches are so dangerous.
Yeah! Cut here! Oh, crap, I missed.
Oh, a serious knockout blow. You can see him struggling to stand after all the damage he's taken. And he's got a hold of that
Crap,
steel
that's
chair.
right.
Oh, did you hear the impact?
Here you go.
Okay.
Where's my $5 you owe me, huh? Where's my $5? I wouldn't have to do this if you got my $5, homie. Hey?
Yeah, you won't beat me with that chair no more.
Look out! Headbutt! Yeah, there's no getting
Wouldn't that make you bleeding too?
now back to the ring. Every time
Are you really just finally hurt?
I know, right?
he's got a nasty look.
Like, I saw that and I was like, oh, man. Alright? Like, Billy!
You stay the fuck down, little bitch.
He didn't go down! You're supposed to go down!
They're so dangerous.
I think he's taking pills to make him strong.
And the ring bell.
No, I lost my comeback. I know I lost that. Let's do it. I just grabbed the freaking chair.
And he's heading back.
I wouldn't have went up there.
Oh, crap!
You thought you had me. Are you busted, Carter?
Took his
Ah, my face.
Oh, okay, here you go.
Oh!
right into the steel.
I don't know if someone tried to save me or what, but
He's
it
I was
sucks.
just trying to jump. I don't know.
the more punishment he takes,
Dawson,
the
quit.
slower and slower he is.
Now quit. I gotta do this.
My bad.
Yes!
That's it.
Finally
Really?
hit that finisher.
Happy New Year's!
Oh!
Give me that again.
We're both high
And
flyers.
stay
so-
down.
Oh no!
I think you just woke me up.
It's like that. I'm wondering if he has something to
Yeah, face Dakota.
Hey, Dawson. Crap.
There's no DQ.
Night, night.
I'm up. and I'm not even hurt.
Oh
bad.
no! You got. Oh wait, no, I got the chair.
Hey, yo.
Crap! I always miss.
You're right.
Oh, the
And he's heading back.
Here.
Oh, payback, huh?
Oh, this one hurt.
running.
Get the fuck out of my ring.
Why? What you gonna do? Okay, I'm leaving. Who's scared?
That looks like it hurt.
Doing whatever it takes to win.
I'm hurt.
I don't think there's any lengths that
Really?
stars won't go to achieve victory tonight.
I don't think so either.
Crap!
Oh, what a spike.
Woo! Back. She get
It's
out.
not exactly high up to his feet here.
Oh,
Hold
What
up.
do you expect, Michael? Did you see what just
We're at the end of this match, basically. We're all broken.
Not now, he'll be able to continue. Man, that was rocked him.
here, someone aimed it already.
Oh, he got him on that one.
Dawson, Since you're the only one up. Okay, it's not true.
Carter, what are you run?
I'm getting the ladder! Please don't let me.
I hit you with that full force.
He was one step ahead on that one. Moving on pure instinct now.
You don't deserve
Will
this.
someone just end it
What do you think
already?
I'm trying to do, darling?
Take the ladder from me?
Yes.
Do with that. And that shot
We're trying to end it, I swear to God. But I just can't see now.
The more punishment he
Trying to run, but they ain't letting
the
me.
slower he is getting back to his feet.
Oh my God, doesn't matter who freaking wins. Yeah, do it, Dawson.
And he gets back in the ring.
Win.
And he's heading back in. You can practically feel the
Do it,
wear and
Dawson.
tear that's been done throughout this match. Yeah, that's the right idea.
Who's gonna go up there and try to fade him?
Come on, get it. Whoa.
Get the fuck
Man,
up,
the
baby.
briefcase is really locked in up there. Now climbing one rung of the ladder at a time. How high does that briefcase go?
Oh! I won.
Wow, Carter, she won that.
Okay. Pass, let me get close.
You got my money. What?
Y'all take yourself forever final line. Oh my God. Got it.
I stopped him, he got it.
Alright, well, that's it for tonight, y'all. I had fun. I think y'all had fun, right?
Yeah, I finally won a match.
Finally. Just by pure luck. Until next time, WD Gaming, and everything. I love y'all. I had fun. I know y'all did. See you next time. Yeah!